to Successful Tradings, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Tradings. Successful Tradings.
Hello, welcome to Successful Tradings, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Tradings.
Hello and welcome to part 3 of our series today on day trading for beginners 2020. In the first two parts, we broke down for you how to start day trading in 2020. So right now in this one, we're going to be focusing on not 1, or not 2, or not 3, or not 4, but we are bringing you the top 5 free trading tools for day trading beginners in 2020. Yeah, why just 2020? Those tools, I'm sure they will still be around in 2021, right? So could we call them top 5 trading tools for day trading beginners 2021, 2022? Yeah, I think that qualifies as well. So without any further ado, let us go in there. I mean, are they ranked in a specific order of importance? Maybe. So let's actually bring them here. Yep, so let's put this. So drum roll number one. I'm not putting this in presentation mode because we are going to be showing you the tool. The number 1 in trading tool in the top 5 trading tools for day trading beginners in 2020 is a charting tool. I mean, if we're going to do day trading, a charting tool is like the fuel inside of a car, right? So it's like Wi-Fi connection for a cell phone. Yeah, what's other analogy that I could possibly be using right now? It's like no, that's one I wouldn't make that one. Okay, so TradingView, we have a full recap of TradingView, a full review rather of TradingView on both our websites, the blog successfultrading.com, as well as on this very YouTube channel. So the link of the video where we scrutinized all of the features of TradingView are in there. Very quickly on here, let's just go show you the tool. This is the tool upon coming in there. Where's the home of the tool on here? Can we show the home? Okay, so more. In terms of pricing, this is a free tool. Yeah, don't get me wrong, right? Because we're doing the top 5 free trading tools for day trading beginners in 2020. So this is a free tool. So the pricing on here, can it come up? So you have the basic, which is free, $0 per year, right? So what comes in that basics are all of these features. You can chart whenever the stock started, you can access to worldwide markets, versatile screener. They have a screener, just more into that. I think technical indicators, and the only blemish point is the fact that, okay, what are they doing now? Can I not go back? Okay, I have to go back to my charts. You are only allowed 3 indicators on here. So which recently for us, as we have been teaching our subscribers here, yes, we do have a subscription trade alert service at Successful Trading. You may want to check it out. I made a video of it on this channel, yeah? So the description is inside at the bottom of this article. Okay, so yeah, they have a limitation. This is the pro version here that I have. I think they even have other advanced. So it allows you to do things like you can do split screen, not too bad, yeah. And my favorite, really that I like, have I said that a lot? So the timeline, the time frame here, 15 minutes, whatever, 1 hour, 4 hours, you can do more. I like here the most on this tool, very quickly tells you still have 4 more to do. So is the replay button, yeah, because I can come on here and just say I want to replay starting on this day, and I come here, I'm gonna increase my speed, 1 update every 1 second or 1 update every half a second, and then I go. Look how fast it's gonna replay almost the entire week for pins, not starting on the 21st. There we go. So it's giving you a 15-minute candle every half a second. That's what the speed is here. And if I want to go faster, look at it. It helps. What's the value of this? It will help you understand support and resistance. What are these lines all about? So you want to find out about TradingView, it's all inside of the description of this video with the related link, both for the website, the blog, and the video review. Number 2 on the list of top 5 free trading, top 5 free trading tools for day trading beginners in 2020. Who's number 2 on the list? Let's go and unveil that on here if our slide are put in any order. FINVIZ. FINVIZ is the number 2 free trading tool for day trading beginners in 2021. The reason for FINVIZ because it has this ability to do screener, but out of screening all of that, I mean, here are some screen. So you come here to the screener. So let me go to home first and then go to screener. It's a free tool as well. It has a paid version, but you can do all of this on the free tool. So the screener, I select, this is something that if you catch our pre-market that we do weekdays at 8:40 Eastern to 9:20, just 10 minutes before the close, you should be familiar with already. If not, catch us starting on Monday. So in order for you to do that, please do subscribe, because then YouTube will send you a notification the moment that we post the link for the live streaming of that. So I'm doing my little screener on here, maybe on volume as well. Yeah. And we know that this is 900 because we have done this so many times already. And then you can filter by earnings. Yeah, this is earnings season. Or you want to know how to trade earnings? We have an article of several videos on how we trade. Man, this is becoming like a one-stop shop now, successful trading, folks. Meaning everything you need is there. Yeah. You need tools that just reviewed and described. You need a strategy on how to make money. You need how to grow your account. Everything is at successful trading. Wow, I'm liking this a lot, folks. I'm liking this. Okay, so this is the feature that you see here. I have these filters. Yeah, they are live. You can update them live by just going 10 seconds. The market is closed as of now. We are Saturday. It's 3:04 p.m. Pacific time. Yeah, 6 Eastern. On Saturday. Yes, that's the time that I chose to make this video. So here, after you have this, look what I do this. I click on chart. Just a click of a button bring you as many charts as you want. Obviously here I have too many, but hey, 900 charts, I don't know. You can spend your entire Saturday night like me working and preparing yourself for the next day. So that's what this, just that by itself, but there's so many more things that you can do. You can do maps, you can do bubbles, you can do, I like this. This thing never get old to me. So we did a review of this on the website, and we as well on a video. We are going to give you a description on how to use all of these features, including the futures. Oh, that's nice, Alex. You didn't prepare for that one. Okay, let's take care of number 2, free trading tool for day trading beginners in 2020 and beyond. Yeah, let's stop at that thing. Number 3 on the list of top free trading tools for day trading beginners in 2020 and beyond is none other than investing.com mobile app. Or unfortunately for us, this is the investing.com mobile app. We have a review of it on the website. It's a very popular app. It will help you do things like, especially if you are like into trading futures, you are into after hours, you are into commodities, you're into international markets. It's very handy. The only setback is has some ads that's a little bit, but I mean, they're easier than on the website version, because on the website version, my friend, is just, it's crazy. We have used that in some afternoon pre-market that we were doing with our community of traders. No, the app, the investing.com app, definitely get the nudge over the website any day, anytime, and twice on Sundays. Wow, Telex, you are really in rare form here to finish. That's lead us to number 4. This is the number 4 in the list of top free trading tools for day trading beginners in 2020 and 2021 and 2022, in 2030 even. Yeah, hopefully Teletrader will still be around. It's a tiny app that doesn't, I mean, it's as if it's free. It's completely free. Again, doesn't seem to do much, but it's fancy. Well, fancy. I don't know if that's the word that I want to show. You can look at market. But for me, it's the views, right? So I'm showing this view on here, which is like performance view. Again, everything it's reviewed already on there. Then you can have this quote board like this if you want. But they themselves, they have this chart view that I really like. Yeah, you get so small charts. It's very practical. Let's say if you're somewhere, I mean, with COVID, we haven't been going anywhere at all for 6-7 months now. But I mean, if you're even at a doctor appointment or something, you can just be studying charts. It's a distraction. It's better than watching Netflix. Did I say that loud? Okay, let's move on, Telex. Let's move on as we are almost done here, right on time. Last but not least, did we save it did we do it on purpose to save it? So this one is going to generate a controversy because I know already what it is. So let's recap maybe. Number one, we talked about TradingView. Number one in the top 5 free trading tools for day trading beginners in 2020, 2021, and 2022. And the one is TradingView. Number 2 is FINVIZ. Number 3 it's investing.com app, mobile app. Yeah, not the website. Number 4 is a little known app to help you do your study, overnight chart studies. That's a Teletrader app. Number five in the list of top free trading tools. Well, you can say, is it a tool or anything? For us, you're trading, you want maybe to be part of a community. So what better than Successful Trading's Discord channel? But is this free? Yes, it is free. The only thing that's bring controversy in the fact that we are not really broadcasting this address willy-nilly. Yeah, so but I'm telling you, there are ways to find yourself in it. So there are traders, there are people who find their way. Trust me. As I was making this video, let me show this live, right? Somebody just came in. Trader man, look at the time. 2:34 was literally as I was preparing for this video. Pacific. This is live right now, August the 24th, right? I said, welcome to, but I don't know how this trader got into here. So it will be interesting to find out how, and there are ways. Hints for you, the websites. So that's what all goes on. So if you want to be part of a trading community, all right, wow. Ooh. That's not bad for a Saturday, isn't it? So I hope you enjoyed our 3-part series on day trading for beginners in 2020. So where we brought you not only 1 or 2, but up the way to 5. Yeah, 5, that is. That's a lot, 5. Free trading tools for day trading beginners here in 2020. Please, if this is your first time on our channel and you find this content of any value, please subscribe so that you are the first one in line when we release our next series, educational series on option trading, because that's what we do most here. Until then, have a great weekend, have a great afternoon, have a great morning, wherever you're catching this broadcast from. We appreciate your time. Bye-bye.